Hi, welcome to NCERT CBSE Class 6 History Chapter 9 Vital Villages, Thriving Towns. And in this video, we will learn every point in the section Elsewhere Part 2. This comprises 14 questions. Question 1. Dash. Build temples and palaces. The options are Augustus, later rulers, Augustus and later rulers, Augustus and his descendants. Your time to choose. And the answer is Augustus and later rulers. So, Augustus and later rulers built temples and palaces. Question 2. Augustus and later rulers dash. The options are built temples, built palaces, built temples and palaces, built chariots. Your time to choose. And the answer is built temples and palaces. So, Augustus and later rulers built temples and palaces. Question 3. Augustus and later rulers built dash. The options are huge amphitheaters, huge altars, huge tanks, a canal system. Your time to choose. And the answer is huge amphitheaters. So, Augustus and later rulers built huge amphitheaters. Question 4. Amphitheaters are dash surrounded by tiers of seats. The options are open spaces, open arenas, playgrounds, fields. Your time to choose. And the answer is open arenas. So, amphitheaters are open arenas surrounded by tiers of seats. Question 5. Amphitheaters are open arenas dash. The options are in Rome, in every city, in major cities, surrounded by tiers of seats. Your time to choose. And the answer is surrounded by tiers of seats. So, amphitheaters are open arenas surrounded by tiers of seats. Next question, question 6. In amphitheaters, dash could watch all kinds of shows, have public baths, and meet and relax. The options are Jana, emperors, citizens/people, noblemen. Your time to choose. And the answer is citizens/people. So, in amphitheaters, citizens/people could watch all kinds of shows, have public baths, and meet and relax. Question 7. In amphitheaters, citizens/people could dash. The options are watch all kinds of shows, have public baths, meet and relax, all of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of these. So, in amphitheaters, citizens/people could watch all kinds of shows, have public baths, and meet and relax. Question 8. The public baths had dash. The options are separate timings for men and children, one time for all, separate timings for men and women, set timings during the day. Your time to choose. And the answer is separate timings for men and women. So, the public baths had separate timings for men and women. Question 9. Dash were built to bring water to the city for the baths, fountains, and toilets. The options are huge aqueducts, huge canals, huge waterways, pipes. Your time to choose. And the answer is huge aqueducts. So, huge aqueducts were built to bring water to the city for the baths, fountains, and toilets. Question 10. Huge aqueducts dash to the city for the baths, fountains, and toilets. The options are were built for drainage, were built to bring water, were built to connect smaller localities, were canals. Your time to choose. And the answer is were built to bring water. So, huge aqueducts were built to bring water to the city for the baths, fountains, and toilets. Next question 11. Huge aqueducts were built to bring water to dash for the baths, fountains, and toilets. The options are the city, the palace, the temple, the villages. Your time to choose. And the answer is the city. So, huge aqueducts were built to bring water to the city for the baths, fountains, and toilets. Question 12. Huge aqueducts were built to bring water to the city for dash. The options are the baths, the fountains, the toilets, the baths, fountains, and toilets. Your time to choose. And the answer is the baths, fountains, and toilets. So, huge aqueducts were built to bring water to the city for the baths, fountains, and toilets. Question 13. Huge aqueducts were dash. The options are pipes to supply water, tunnels for water, canals for water, channels to supply water. Your time to choose. And the answer is channels to supply water. So, huge aqueducts were channels to supply water. Last question, question 14. Amphitheaters and aqueducts have survived because they were dash. The options are planned, made of stone, made of marble, A, B and C. Your time to choose. And the answer is A, B and C. So, amphitheaters and aqueducts have survived because they were planned, made of stone and made of marble. Okay, so in this video, we learnt every point in the section Elsewhere Part 2. In the next video, we will learn every point in the section Let's Recall. I'll see you there.